everyone and welcome back to another Fantasy 11 prediction video. In this video, we will predict the Fantasy 11 for the match between Sunrisers Hyderabad and Mumbai Indians. While Mumbai Indians is the first team to qualify for the playoff and comfortably sit on the first spot, Sunrisers Hyderabad look to win the game to have a chance to be in the top 4 and qualify for the playoffs as well. The two teams have battled it out 15 times, with Mumbai Indians having the advantage of 8 wins. Here is the Fantasy 11 for this match. Wriddhiman Saha. Wriddhiman Saha has made an impact on the team as soon as he was given a chance to play. He has looked to be in great touch in his 3 matches and has also played a match-winning 87. He has the ability to win the game for Sunrisers with the bat, and this ability of his makes him our first pick. Ishan Kishan. Ishan Kishan is proving to be a dependable top-order batsman for Mumbai Indians. He is playing some splendid knocks at the top of the order and is proving to be a match winner. His strike rate of 143.63 shows how well he strikes the ball in the power play overs, and this ability of his to play destructively at the top of the order makes him our second pick. Quinton de Kock. The South African wicketkeeper batsman Quinton de Kock has been in good touch so far. He strikes at 135 this season at the top of the order and is a destructive left-handed batsman. He will be looking to get Mumbai Indians off to a flying start in this game with his power hitting. This ability of his to accelerate in the power play overs makes him our third pick. David Warner. David Warner has constantly been one of the top scorers in the IPL for a few seasons now. His strike rate is massive and he has the ability to single-handedly win games for Sunrisers Hyderabad. He can play deadly knocks and win games alongside any person that he bats, which grants him the 4th spot in R11. Surya Kumar Yadav. Surya Kumar Yadav has always been consistent with the bat for the team that he has played for. His strike rate of 153.27 this season shows how well he is striking the ball in the middle overs. He will be a crucial player in this match for Mumbai Indians, and he will be looking to get more runs to his name to see his team through. This makes him the captain and the 5th pick of R11. Saurabh Tiwari. Saurabh Tiwari has been in and out of the Mumbai Indians playing 11, and he has shown promise in every knock that he has played. Having played 6 games now and settling into the squad, he will be looking to get more runs in the middle overs and win the game for his team in that phase of the game. This ability of his to score runs in the middle overs at a good pace makes him our 6th pick. Jason Holder. Jason Holder's inclusion in the Sunrisers Hyderabad side has made the team look more stable. He strikes at a massive 172 and he has picked up 8 wickets in just 4 games that he has played. He has the ability to win the game with the bat and the ball, which makes him our 7th pick. Rashid Khan. Rashid Khan's unpredictable bowling makes him a massive threat to any batsman. His googlies are deceptive and he is a match winner with the ball. He can also play destructive cameos in the lower order for his team, and this only adds up to his value on the team. His economy rate is really low this season, and this makes him our vice captain and also the 8th pick of R11. Sandeep Sharma. Sandeep Sharma has been in decent form this season. After the rough start that he had to this season, he has picked up 10 wickets in his 10 games and he has a low economy rate of just 7.22. He swings the ball both the ways and will pose a threat to the batsmen of Mumbai Indians. His ability to swing the ball and gain wickets because of his swing makes him our 9th pick. Jasprit Bumrah. Jasprit Bumrah, the Mumbai Indians speedster, is showing exactly why people regard him so high. He has been in excellent form with the ball throughout the season. He has already picked up 23 wickets and he also bowls brilliantly in the death overs. He will pose a threat to the struggling batting order of Sunrisers Hyderabad in this match. This makes him our 10th pick. Trent Bolt. The New Zealand speedster Trent Bolt has been in tremendous form this season. He has already 20 wickets to his name and he is becoming the go-to bowler for Mumbai Indians when they are in search of wickets. He has a lethal pace and he bowls at a brilliant line and length, and this thus makes him our final pick. These are the 11 players who we believe will create the highest impact on this game by taking away the highest fantasy points. Who is your most valuable player? Let us know down below.